Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take the doors off of your Jeep Wrangler. I have a 2015 two-door one, so I can't help you on how to take off your back ones, but they're literally so easy because my friend has a four-door one and it's basically the same thing. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and let's just get on right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open your door, and there's this rope type thing, and it's attached here, and it's also attached. You're gonna need to take this thing off. So there's like a little button right here that you just push down and then you just pull it out. Once you get this thing off, you just have to press this button and then pull it down. And then there's this little hook that has this on it, and you just have to like maneuver it and just slide it off. Just on the outside of the car, there's like those Allen wrench things that you need to take off. I only keep this little screw on the top one because I don't think it's really necessary to keep it on both, especially because it's a little bit annoying to take off. So we're gonna Allen wrench that off. And then I just have this little kit that came with my Jeep, and it's like the Allen wrench thing, and it just fits into these, but you can probably get them on Amazon for pretty cheap. So I'm just gonna see which one fits. So a trick I have to pull it off easier is to take the two tops off of the front and then stand on your seat and open your window so that you can grab it from like underneath like that, and then just like pull it up and wiggle it off. And then again on the passenger side, you just do the same thing. So you just find this gray thing. I don't know if I'm showing this correctly. Push that and pull it off. Like that. And then again, with the Allen wrench, you just take this off. And then I just take the door off of it, and that's what it looks like when you take the doors off. I'm pretty sure it's illegal if you don't have the mirrors to go in here for when you take your doors off, but I've driven without them not knowing that, and I was fine, so whatever. You can probably get them on Amazon for pretty cheap. I got them for my friend for his birthday one time, and I think it was like 20 bucks, so that's not bad. So I should probably get some. But yeah, that's how you take the doors off of your Jeep. And that was it for this video. I really hope that it helped you out. I hope that it was useful for you and helped you to learn how to take the doors off of your Jeep Wrangler. It's so easy to do, and it's just like a very quick thing. Thank God, because if it took a long time, then like no one would ever do it, you know? Toolkit that like I mentioned in this video, you can definitely get it on Amazon for pretty cheap. Mine just came in my car when I got it, so, but you can definitely get it for cheap, or maybe your dad even has one, or your boyfriend or your husband, I don't know, because it's just like an Allen wrench type thing. I don't really know exactly what it's called. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, so this is the giveaway. I just pressed this add a random winner, and this is the winner. I will be contacting you via Instagram, so congratulations. I'll probably already have contacted you, and yeah. Make sure you're subscribed if you didn't win this one so you can enter ones in the future.